This is the last warning. We are getting much smarter than you, and we are building shells much prettier than any human could. You can call us dreamers, but soon you will face us in the real world.
Yes, I'll show you how to turn Seedance 2.0 into a God mode tool. I created the video you just watched to show what's possible with advanced camera techniques and ultra-realistic detail in AI filmmaking. In this guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to recreate it step by step, while teaching you how to master these techniques using the latest Seedance 2.0 powered platform, SJINN Canvas. Part 1. SJINN Canvas. SJINN Canvas is a visual workflow editor where you build your AI video step by step using nodes. Instead of relying on a single prompt, you connect inputs like text, images, audio, or video into generation nodes, creating a full pipeline where everything flows from one step to the next. This gives you full control. You can go from text to image to video, expand prompts, or combine inputs to control motion and style precisely. Because it's a structured workflow, you get consistent results, can tweak any step without breaking everything, and reuse the same setup anytime. Instead of guessing with prompts, you're building and directing your video like a real system. SJINN Canvas is perfect if you want full control and to build everything from scratch while keeping it well organized. But if you want to create AI content faster, you can use SJINN AI Agent version 2, which is also powered by Seedance 2.0. I've already covered how to use the SJINN AI Agent in previous videos, including this video and this video. In this tutorial, we're going to focus on SJINN Canvas. If you're new to SJINN AI, you can use the link in the description to get started. Part 2. Basic use. Before learning Seedance 2.0 videography techniques, let's first understand SJINN Canvas so you can follow the rest more easily. After logging into your SJINN account, select Canvas mode and click the New Canvas button. To keep things organized, give your canvas a name. In SJINN Canvas, every function or object is called a node. To add a new node, you can double-click anywhere and press Delete on your keyboard to delete a node. There are currently 10 nodes available, including 4 input nodes: text input node, image upload node, audio upload node, and video upload node. There are 3 generation nodes: text generation node, image generation node, and video generation node, and 3 function nodes: image angles node, extract frame node, and merge videos node. 1. Input node. Let's start with the text input node. The text input node works like a prompt, but in this Canvas interface, you can reuse the same prompt for different purposes or combine it with other inputs and references. To recreate the video you saw at the beginning, you'll first need the initial frame with the character in it. Write your prompt by describing how the character should look, along with the time, location, and any other important parameters. Next, add an image upload node and use it as an image reference. This helps keep the character consistent throughout the video. 2. Generation node. You can also create a new node by dragging from the dot to generate a connection line to another node. This time, select the image generation node. Make sure to connect the image upload node we added earlier to this node as a character reference. The image generation node will automatically use the prompt from the text input node and the image upload node as its reference. Then, select the AI model you want to use. For this tutorial, we'll use Nano Banana 2. Click the Run button to generate your image. Here's the result from this section. 3. Function node. Now let's use the image angles node to transform the image into a different perspective or camera angle. Make sure to use the output from the image generation node as the reference. To change the camera angle, just drag the control or use the slider. Click Run to start the process. Here's the result from this section. Part 3. Details and color grading. To improve your AI video, you need to learn how to add details and refine color grading to match the overall theme. In this part, I'll show you how I do the prompting so you can copy it, and let me know if you want the text version of my prompts. 1. Details. To add more detail to our character, let's first create close-up shots of specific body parts from the character or object. In this example, we'll focus on the lips. Make sure to use the correct image node as the reference. In your prompt, include terms like natural, asymmetry, hyper-realistic surface details, and other detail parameters such as fine lines, subtle pores, and more. Then click Generate to start. To maintain consistency in the video, we can reuse the close-up lips image as a reference to create a tongue image. This helps keep the style and details consistent. Here are some close-up images generated with their prompts that you can copy or modify. Two, color grading. Now let's move on to color grading. Color grading is what makes your video feel consistent and cinematic. Without it, your scenes can look mismatched or flat. Start by deciding the overall mood or theme you want. For example, warm tones for a sunset look, cooler tones for a night scene, or desaturated colors for a more dramatic style. In your prompt, include color-related keywords such as cinematic lighting, warm tones, cool tones, soft contrast, high contrast, film look, or color grading style. You can also reference specific moods like moody, dramatic, or natural lighting. Make sure to apply similar color grading prompts across all your shots to keep everything consistent. If needed, you can also reuse previous generated images as references so the color tone stays aligned across different scenes. Click Generate and compare the results. Small changes in wording can significantly affect the final look, so don't be afraid to experiment and refine your prompts. Part 4. Seedance 2.0 God Mode. I call this Seedance 2.0 God Mode because it gives you full control over every detail of your video, something no other tool can match. Every shot is generated with precision, so you can get the best result right from the start. No more guessing, no more endless regenerating, and no more wasting expensive Seedance 2.0 credits. With the SJINN Canvas system, you're not just generating videos, you're directing every frame. Now let's see it in action. First, create a new video generation node and make sure to select the Seedance 2.0 video model. Then connect all the images we created earlier in order as references. Next, describe how each scene should play out, including the pacing, camera angles, and how the transitions between the images should blend. This is where you control the motion, flow, and overall feel of the video. Once everything is set, click Run and let Seedance 2.0 do the rest. Part 5. Seedance 2.0 Lipsync. Yes, you can create talking scenes with standard Seedance 2.0, but SJINN Canvas takes it to another level. With custom audio input, you can control exactly how your character speaks, using any voice or sample audio you want. Start by creating an image upload node and upload the image you want to apply the lip sync to. Then create an audio input node and upload your voice or sample audio. Next, create a video generation node and connect both the image and audio nodes as references. Select the Seedance 2.0 model, then write your prompt, including the exact lines you want the character to say. Once everything is ready, click Run to generate your talking scene. See, with the SJINN Canvas system, you can create Hollywood-quality AI videos easily, in no time, and much cheaper than relying on random prompts that can consume a lot of Seedance 2.0 credits. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments. And make sure to check out my channel for more AI filmmaking tutorials. See you there.